All right, let's dive into something that's been a game changer for a lot of video creators, and that's AI. Now, I know when some of you hear AI, you might think it's only for tech experts or big budget productions. But here's the thing, AI can actually be a super practical tool for any creator, including those of us working on unscripted videos. So I want to show you how it can plug right into my 5 story steps to help make the creative process smoother, faster, maybe even a little more fun. Here's a refresher on my 5 story steps for unscripted video creation. Number 1, discover the story. 2, design the story. 3, craft the story. 4, engage the audience. 5, style the story. So how can AI help with each of these? Let's break it down. Number 1, discover the story. One of the first challenges we all face is finding the right story, right? Well, imagine if AI could help you with that. Tools like AI-powered research assistants can sift through mountains of information. They can think through news articles, social media chatter, or trending topics in a fraction of the time it would normally take. AI can help spot those hidden gems, the stories that are already resonating with people, but maybe you haven't come across yet. Plus, if you're unsure about a story idea, AI can analyze that for you. It can look at what people are saying online and tell you whether your idea has the potential to stir up the emotions you want. Emotions like excitement, curiosity, empathy. It's like having an extra set of eyes and a brain to gauge whether a story will hit home. Number 2, design the story. Next, once you've discovered your story, it's time to design it. This is where AI gets creative. There are tools that can help you with story mapping, organizing your thoughts, or even suggesting narrative arcs based on successful patterns in your genre. It's like AI is a collaborator who says, hey, this structure worked well for a similar story, maybe try it here. And if you're working with real people or characters, AI can offer insights into what types of roles or characteristics tend to engage audiences. It's kind of like having a research assistant who watches a ton of reality TV or documentaries and can tell you what works. Number 3, craft the story. This is where AI can save you hours of editing time. There are tools out there that can analyze your footage and automatically pull out key moments. Those emotional sound bites or perfect visual sequences. So you don't have to comb through every second of raw footage. This leaves you more time to focus on fine-tuning the narrative instead of getting bogged down in the mechanics of the edit. Another cool thing, AI can actually help you analyze the emotion in your sound bites. Imagine having a tool that can tell you, this clip has the strongest emotional punch, so you can include the best moments that resonate deeply with your viewers. Number 4, engage the audience. Engagement is king, right? AI can help make sure your content lands with the right people at the right time. With AI-driven personalized recommendations, you can ensure that your videos are being suggested to viewers who are most likely to enjoy and engage with your content. This is the stuff that can really help grow your audience over time. And if you want to take it up a notch, you could add interactive elements to your videos. Picture an AI-driven chatbot or quiz embedded right into your content that allows viewers to interact with the story and provide feedback. That feedback, it can help you shape your future videos to better match what your audience wants. All right, number 5, style the story. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches. AI tools can do things like automated color correction or sound mixing. So you don't have to spend hours trying to get your visuals and audio just right. These tools are smart, and they can elevate the production quality of your videos to make them look and sound professional without needing a huge production budget. Another win, dynamic thumbnails and titles. AI can analyze trends and suggest what will catch your viewers' attention, boosting your click-through rate and ultimately getting more eyes on your content. So you're probably wondering, how can I start using AI today? Here's a simple plan to get you going. Number 1, choose a story discovery tool. Head over to BuzzSumo or Exploding Topics and start exploring trending topics in your niche. Spend 10 to 15 minutes scanning for ideas that excite you and align with your audience's interests. Number 2, try AI-powered story mapping. Use ChatGPT to help you outline your next video. You can simply ask it to suggest story structures or character dynamics, or even help brainstorm ways to build tension in your unscripted content. Number 3, test an AI editing tool. Download Descript or Pictory and experiment with using AI to edit your footage or pull out key moments. You can start by uploading some rough footage and see how AI helps with the first draft. Number 4, optimize audience engagement. If you're posting on YouTube, try vidIQ or TubeBuddy to optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions. These tools use AI to analyze what's working on YouTube and will give you suggestions to increase views and engagement. Number 5, polish with AI styling. If you're looking for a polished finish, play around with Runway ML for automated color correction or Canva Pro for generating thumbnails. These tools are easy to use and can make your video look more professional. The best part? Most of these tools offer free versions or trials, so you can experiment without any major commitment. Just pick 1 or 2 to start with, see how they fit into your workflow, and expand from there. By integrating AI into your creative process, you can streamline everything from story discovery to editing, while elevating the quality of your videos. AI isn't just for big productions, it's a tool you can start using today to make your unscripted stories more impactful, engaging, and efficient. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, storytelling. If you're ready to take your unscripted videos to the next level, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip on how to enhance your creative process. And be sure to check out the resources in the description, including my free unscripted video story guide. Then get started with these AI tools that can transform your work. Thanks for watching.